Back again, back to back, made back, stack the M's.
YouTube, what's up? What's good? I want to first off say what's good, hello, hi to my dolls and my Ken dolls, of course, because this is a dollhouse, so I have to pay my respects because I've been missing in action for so long. So hi dolls, I miss you so much. Just know I love you. And what's good to anyone that's here for the first time? Hi. I know in this video is going to be a lot of Apple product lovers and definitely a lot of tech lovers, so welcome to my dollhouse. My name's Aisha Mariah, and today I will be doing yet another fabulous unboxing of Apple's newest iPhone, which happens to be the iPhone X Max. Recently they dropped the iPhone XS, X Max, and XR. I initially wanted to get the XR, but we'll get into some detail a little later as to why I decided to go with the XS instead of the XR. If you're new to my channel, before I continue, I'm gonna ask you to do one thing. Press the pause button, get out of this video, go to my home page, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you're updated every single time I drop a new video. So jumping right into today's video, to my dolls, my regular dolls that are always here every time I drop a new video, I have to tell you dolls that I'm gonna update you guys on life and everything, and when I'll get back into doing my makeup tutorials and vlogs and all of that good stuff in my next video. This video is just for the iPhone. So I'm really excited. I'm also not gonna lie, I already opened it. I also already activated it because the process is just too long. So if you're new and you're a new iPhone user and you don't know how to activate your phone, I'm gonna leave a link right here to my previous iPhone 8 Plus unboxing where I actually went through the activation steps and process and yada yada yada. So this is the XS Max. I got it in white, and let me start off by saying that y'all dragged me. A lot of y'all dragged me in my last iPhone unboxing for not taking off the phone plastic and protective plastic. So y'all are definitely gonna hate me right now when I tell you that I've had this plastic on for about a week and a half, and that's how long I've had the phone. So before you tech geeks drag me for not taking off the plastic protective screen on my phone, I just have to say that the reason why I'm not gonna take it off yet again in this video is because my phone cases didn't come yet. So y'all know I get my cases from AliExpress. If you want to see a phone case haul from AliExpress from my old iPhone, then I'll leave the link at the top of the screen for that also. But yeah, so you know I get my phone cases from AliExpress, so they take about 3 weeks to get to me. I ordered them not too long ago, so they should be here soon, which means I definitely will have an iPhone X Max phone case haul for you dolls. So I'm gonna show off the phone really quickly. Yes, I already have my beautiful screensaver. I actually really like it a lot. I've been using my 8 Plus case as the case for this phone. As you can see, the camera, this is the only difference. Well, okay. There's so much I'm gonna say, I don't even know where to start. So let's start off with the basic and what comes inside of the packaging box, which we already know is the headphones. Cute little headphones. I need some AirPods. That's what I want for Christmas. If y'all love me enough, somebody send me some Apple AirPods. It also comes with the charger. So at this point I have like 3 Apple chargers, so I'm not even gonna use this charger as yet until I actually really need it. And of course it comes with the instruction manual, all the boring stuff. The fun part about the iPhone X and the X series phones are that they have a facial recognition feature that you use as a passcode to get into your phone, which I did not set up yet. So I'm gonna do that today with you guys. So the X Max, I want to say that it is about the same size as the 8 Plus, except it is shorter in width. The 8 Plus is wider than this phone, but my phone actually does fit perfectly into the 8 Plus cell phone case, which is weird because I thought that it would be bigger, being that the dimensions are bigger. But I'm not complaining as long as I have like a big phone that, you know, fits barely fits in the palm of my hands, because that's just what I'm on right now. Also, my old phone was space gray. This I got in silver white, where the linings are silver, the border around the screen is black, and the back of the phone is glass, and it is all completely white. This video is actually going to do this phone absolutely no justice, because it is such a beautiful phone, and I wish, look at my fingerprints everywhere, and I wish you, like, I could show you exactly how beautiful it is. But for my reasons, like I said, I want to protect the phone for as long as I can until I get phone cases for it. So I'm not gonna take off the protective plastics, and anybody that has a problem with it, then see me in the comment section. Okay, moving forward, we already know how to activate the look at me giving away my cell phone passcode. But anyway, moving forward, I'm gonna proceed on to setting up my facial recognition, which I was a little iffy about, but I'm honestly tired of typing in the password for everything, down to my apps, down to my banking app. It is so annoying. And imagine being drunk, typing in your password. I swear I've gotten locked out of my phone a few times, going out a night on the town, just, you know, drinking and enjoying. Like, I've locked myself out of my phone so many times. So I think this is cool for that. But then there's the whole conspiracies on, you know, the government and using your information and a whole bunch of stuff. Because remember, for the 8 Plus or the series before the X series of Apple iPhones, they took your fingerprint. I don't know if I don't think the fingerprint feature is on the X series at all. But that was weird. Like, it was cool, but if you actually thought about it, it's really, really weird, because I'm sure the government has some type of contract with these cell phone companies that track our whereabouts and all of that. Have you ever been like talking about a specific product, a store like Target or something, and then you go on your social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and then out of nowhere a Target ad pops up? That is just so weird to me. But I'm gonna just do this for the fun of the video, and let's go ahead and set up the facial recognition feature. I wonder if I can screen record. Give me a second. Let me screen record while I do this so you guys can see. Oh yeah, I can screen record. So I'm gonna screen record and pop it up on the side first. Oh, how y'all feeling my natural hair? Ew. Oh, we're screen recording. Okay, so settings. Then we're gonna go to Face ID and passcode. Hopefully it didn't catch. Oh. Set up Face ID, get started. What does it mean, move your head slowly in a circle? Let's see. Your face is out of view. This is hard, guys. This is annoying. It's not even working for me. All right. Face ID is set up. Okay, done. My Face ID is set up. Done. I don't know. That was annoying. That was very annoying if you ask me, and I think it was pointless. But back into the phone. So we set up my Face ID. I got some new apps. Well, I have all of my old apps from my old phone because this time I backed it up properly. So this phone basically came as if it was my old phone, just a different device. It's sleeker. It's not sleeker. It's thicker than my old phone. Guys, I'm sorry I'm all over the place, but I have a lot going on. But anyway, so I initially wanted the iPhone XR, and then I looked up a review on the iPhone XR, and I found out that the pixels on the iPhone XR's phone is only 480p, or it's not 1080 HDP, which was just weird to me, because it's like, what's the point in coming out with a third phone that doesn't have better camera quality or better, you know, phone visual quality than the previous phone that was put out? So I'm glad I did my research on that, because I was definitely trying to get the XR. I thought that the XR was like the same size as the iPhone 8 Plus, which it isn't. I don't know what's going on, Apple. What are you guys doing? But to be honest with you, I actually love my new phone. I love it a lot. Ooh, the Face ID is actually working. That's good. That Face ID is gonna save me with a lot of stuff. Absolutely love it. I love, let's get closer, because I didn't give you guys like a really close-up of the phone. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. Okay, here's a close-up of the phone. It is beautiful. Like, it is absolutely beautiful. Like, I'm in love. I love it a lot. I decided to get white because I've always gotten black phones. I've never had a white phone, so I wanted to switch it up. I am praying for a lot of change, you know, towards the ending of the year and coming into the new year. So I think switching some stuff up was definitely needed. So I decided to get white this time, which I'm excited about. If any of you geeks if any of you Apple geeks are, you know, into updating the phones, let me know if you got the new phone, or let me know if you stuck to the old phone. What's your favorite Apple phone? My current favorite Apple phone is the iPhone 8 Plus, and that's only because I didn't get, you know, really familiar and used to this phone as yet. But the 8 Plus, I love it, and I kind of miss it, but I know that this is gonna grow on me. I believe this phone was around $1,100 to $1,200, but luckily for me, I only had to pay an upgrade fee because I somewhat kind of lease my phones through Verizon. I'm on a 24-month plan where I get to upgrade my phone every single year. So every year that Apple drops a new phone, I definitely will be upgrading, because it just makes sense to do that instead of paying over $800 to $1,200 every single time a new phone come out, because you know how funny Apple gets with their devices. Once a new phone comes out, the old phone just slows down. So I like to stay up to date on my devices, especially when it comes to Apple. I think that's really, you know, a smart thing to definitely do is to make sure that whatever carrier you have, they have a contract or a plan with Apple where you can update your phone. That's definitely about it for this phone. I like it. I like it a lot. It's not as big as I anticipated it to be. I thought it would be like Palm Pilot big. That's what I was going for. I wanted to walk around, you know, feeling real important. I still feel important because the phone is still big and I know that I am important. So that's it. That is it for this video. I wish I had more for you dolls, but definitely stay tuned for my next video in regards to this specific iPhone, because I will be doing the cell phone case haul. Y'all already know how hard it is to get some cute cell phones when a new phone pops out. I also want to get the Lumi Duo case for the X Max. I'm not too sure if they have it yet, but I'm praying that they do, because I still have my Lumi Duo case from my A+. It's scratched up, but if anyone wants it, you can have it. I absolutely don't have no use of it. I also have a lot of other cell phone cases that now I can't use. So if you see a phone case that you like from my A+ iPhone phone case haul, drop a comment in the comment section below. I might be able to send it to you, especially if you're willing to pay shipping. No, I'm playing, guys, for real. If you like a phone, let me know and I might randomly just, you know, reach out to you and send the phone case your way, because I absolutely have no use of it. This is definitely the end of the video. Again, I absolutely love the new phone. I'm still getting used to it, so I'll have more updates on it and more, you know, features on it in my next video in regards to the iPhone. Y'all already know the camera is superb. It shoots in 4K video. Also, if you have the A+, y'all need to go into your settings and make sure that your phone is on 4K. You'll have bomb pictures. This automatically takes pictures in 4K and records in 4K, which is amazing because I can be a narcissist sometimes and I like taking pictures. So this is like having, this phone is like having a professional camera on you, which is amazing. I love Apple for that. Always keeping up to date with their technology. Shout outs to Apple. To my dolls that are regularly here on my channel, I just want to say I love you. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I have a really big vlog that I will be dropping within the next week or so. You're gonna be mind blown, so stay tuned for that. I want to thank you dolls, Kens, and Apple product geeks for tuning into this video. If everybody watching here would like to see more videos like this, then definitely give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment in my comment section below. Drop some suggestions on videos you would like to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay tuned for that.